In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize images on the Wix editor. Whether you're creating a stunning gallery or just want to adjust a single image for the perfect look and feel on your website, knowing how to resize correctly is important. Let's go through this process step by step so you feel confident and ready to tackle it on your own. To begin, open your Wix editor and locate the image you wish to resize. Once you've found it, simply click on the image. This simple click turns your image into an editable element, and you'll notice handles or small boxes will appear along the edges. These handles are your main tool for resizing your image. Now, if you move your cursor over one of these handles, you'll see it change into a double-headed arrow. To change the size of your image, click and hold one of these handles and drag it in or out to adjust to the size you desire. For example, dragging a handle out will enlarge your image, while dragging it in will make your image smaller. Remember, the handles in the corners can help you resize the image while keeping the proportions the same, so the image doesn't get stretched or squashed. This means your image's width and height will change in sync, preserving its original shape and ratio. Sometimes you might find that you've adjusted an image and later decide you prefer the original proportions. No worries, Wix makes it easy to return to your original proportions if needed. To do this, simply click on the image again. When you do this, look for the gear icon. It signifies image settings. Click this icon to open a menu with various image options. Among these options, you will notice one that says Reset Image Proportions. Clicking this option will revert the image back to its original dimensions, as if you just uploaded it fresh onto the page. Resizing images on Wix is straightforward once you get the hang of it. Whether you're slightly tweaking a size or making it significantly larger or smaller, it's all about using those handles efficiently and understanding how to access your image settings. Consistent proportions are key to maintaining a polished appearance on your website, and with this knowledge, you're well on your way to creating a visually appealing site with perfectly sized images. Now that you know how to resize images using the Wix editor, you're ready to continue designing your site with precision and creativity. Keep practicing these steps, and soon, resizing images will become second nature in your web design process. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck with your website building endeavors.